Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about partial fractions. So I will put 8 over s bs plus c over s squared plus 1 because we have the power number 2 in here. So on numerator we need to reduce the power by number 1. So that's why we have 2 minus 1 and we have s, and then we need to reduce the power to number 0. Next we can do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about s squared plus 1. So capital A multiplied by s squared plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared we have A and B. About S we have C. About the numbers we have 8. Now we need to compare coefficients. We just have only number 1. So 8 equals to number 1. We don't have S and S squared. So this one and this one equals to number 0. So we have the system of equations. So 8 equals to number 1, B equals to negative number 1, C equals to number 0. And then we put this one gone here. So 8 equals to number 1, B equals to negative number 1, C equals to number 0. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.